Apple has done it again. Today, we're diving into the brand new iPhone 16 series, just launched at Apple's big event at the Steve Jobs Theater. There's a lot to unpack here, from improved AI-powered features to a redefined camera system. So, let's get into everything this phone has to offer. First off, the iPhone 16 looks stunning. Apple hasn't strayed too far from the classic design, but the edge-to-edge OLED display is as gorgeous as ever, delivering those rich blacks and vibrant colors. It's sleek, lightweight, and comes in some fresh new colors, including this beautiful barely blue option. And with 128GB as the starting storage size, it's got plenty of room for all your apps. Photos and videos. Let's talk about one of the biggest features, the camera. Apple's gone all out with a 48MP Fusion camera that gives you super high-resolution images and amazing telephoto capabilities. Whether you're snapping a portrait with the 2x telephoto lens or capturing an expansive landscape with the ultra-wide camera, the quality is top-notch. Plus, the camera's spatial capture now lets you take 3D photos and videos, which you can experience with Apple Vision Pro. Perfect for those who want to elevate their content creation game. Under the hood, the iPhone 16 is powered by Apple's new A18 chip, a huge leap forward from the A16 in the previous model. This custom-built chip makes Apple Intelligence even smarter, helping you get things done faster and more efficiently. From editing photos to multitasking with apps, the iPhone 16 handles it all seamlessly while also being incredibly power efficient. Battery life has always been a major talking point, and the iPhone 16 delivers. You can get up to 22 hours of video playback on the standard model, and the iPhone 16 Plus stretches that to an impressive 27 hours. And with the new MagSafe charger, you can juice up to 50% of your battery in just 30 minutes, perfect for those days when you're on the go. A new feature that's catching everyone's attention is the Action button. It's fully customizable, allowing you to quickly launch apps, toggle settings, or even set up shortcuts for things like sending messages or ordering your favorite coffee. It's super intuitive and a great time saver. Apple is also doubling down on safety. With the new satellite connectivity feature, even if you're off the grid, you can send messages and get roadside assistance when you need it. And crash detection can automatically call emergency services if you're in an accident, making this phone not just smart, but potentially life-saving. Privacy is a big deal, and Apple is continuing to set the standard with their built-in protections. With on-device processing, your personal data stays secure, no one, not even Apple, can access it. You control what apps see and share, and now you can manage your contacts more precisely than ever before. Whether you're into photography, need a reliable phone for work, or just love the latest tech, the iPhone 16 series offers something for everyone. With its powerful A18 chip, groundbreaking AI features, and enhanced safety, it's a solid contender for anyone looking to upgrade. Pre-orders start on September 13th, so if you're ready to get your hands on one of these, don't wait. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the latest tech. Catch you in the next one.